Welcome to 3 ways to backup WhatsApp messages. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways to backup WhatsApp messages. The first and easiest thing you can do is open up WhatsApp here, and we're going to tap on settings at the bottom right. Now you can see midway down is chats. Let's choose that, and here you can see midway down is chat backup. So I can tap on that. The nice thing is that WhatsApp has it built in to automatically backup all of your conversations, so you can see auto backup. I have it set for weekly, include videos, and now all I have to do is hit backup. Now this will backup every single message and conversations on basically WhatsApp app. You can see it goes through this process and it will backup. Now another option you have in terms of backing up is to hit this export chat. Now you can just choose a conversation here. Say this is the one I want to export. I can just tap on it and then hit attach with media, and it will start exporting it. And all I have to do is say send that to an email address. I can save it to the files on my phone. I can do all those different things. Now these are 2 options you have directly within WhatsApp, but there's a third option in your phone itself. So let's open up settings here and then tap on your name at the very top, and then iCloud midway down. Now you can see here apps using iCloud. Let's hit show all here, and what we will do is we'll find WhatsApp on this list. So at the very bottom here, WhatsApp, you can see that is toggled on to use iCloud. This will basically use your iCloud to back up all those messages. So if that is toggled off, just toggle it on, and then basically that will be another way that all of those messages are backed up. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions on that, leave it in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.